Howdy YouTube dorks, AE7QT. Well, I just had a 43-foot vertical fiberglass mast that I originally had a 33-ish foot wire on and replaced it with something that was about 55 to 60 feet long. And let's see, my window is terribly dirty, but you can see why. There's a couple of wraps on the bottom, and then the backside of my tuner and ground and everything's right there. So anyways, doing some FT8 transmitting right now. Oh hey, I had two stations try to contact me at once. That's so much fun. And it looks like K0WIU is the winner on that particular mashup. Running about 25 watts with my 7600, and I have had pretty good success. Switch over to the map, and you can see I'm getting out across America pretty good. Yesterday was a little bit better. I was doing some worldwide propagation, so anyways, seems to be working pretty good. Happy with it, and hope to hear you on the wave. 73 A7QT, not so mobile, and cut.